Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which is the correct option to forward logs from Tanzu Kubernetes grid clusters to Elastic, Kafka, Splunk, or an HTTP endpoint? Option A. No action is required. Tanzu Kubernetes grid automatically forwards the log files to syslog. Option B. Use the kubectl get logs command to forward the logs. Option C. Deploy the FluentBit plugin to vRealize log insight. Option D. Deploy FluentBit to forward the logs. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Deploy FluentBit to forward the logs. Question 2. Refer to the exhibit. In the following storage class manifest, which field is used to specify the volume plugin driver used for underlying storage array? Option A. Type. Option B. Name. Option C. Parameters. Option D. Provisioner. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Provisioner. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.